My name is Raul Rivera, and I've been working gardening farming for 2 years. It's not just a regular job. You actually feel happy coming in here. You know, you don't feel like a stranger. You come into this company, and it's good. It's very good because they treat you like a person. They don't treat you like a worker, you know? They treat you like a family. And that's what I like about this company, that they're always there for you. If it weren't for this company, I'll still be probably walking in town, because before I started working here, I didn't have a car, you know? And once I started working here, I started getting very good pay, very good pay.